Follow along as we shop for our top keto picks at Natural Grocers. One of the coolest parts, I think, is that they hold Keto 101 classes for free to teach you about how to shop for keto and how to prepare foods. Here you'll find a great selection of fresh and organic produce, which is something that you should stock up on, including blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries to help your sweet tooth. In the supplement aisle, you'll find MCT oils that come in a variety of flavors to flavor your coffees, and they even have liquid Monkfruit drops to sweeten it up a bit. In their baking aisle, you'll even find a wide variety of all-natural sweeteners such as Stevia, Monkfruit, Erythritol, and Xylitol to choose from. One of the big advantages of shopping in a health food store like Natural Grocers is the wide variety of flavored beverages that are actually keto-friendly. You can find flavored waters as well as naturally sweetened sodas and even almond milk and coconut milk that comes in a variety of flavors with no sugar added. One of my favorites by far is got to be the Virgil's brand sodas that comes in a variety of flavors such as cola, orange, and even root beer, and root beer has got to be my absolute favorite. If you miss having hummus, these sauces are a great almond-based dip that come in a variety of different flavors and spiciness, and this one here is made from cashews that taste a lot like queso dip. I also like that they keep a wide variety of keto-friendly sauces and dressings to help flavor my foods throughout the week so that things don't get boring from time to time. Most of these sauces from Primal Kitchen are actually keto-friendly, such as their organic ketchup, steak sauce, and more. If you check out the ketchup, you'll notice that it doesn't have any ingredients added to it that aren't keto-friendly, and it only has 2 net carbs per serving. The steak sauce is slightly less, it only has 1 net carb per serving. When it comes to keto-friendly pasta sauce, the Mezzetta Marinara is a great go-to choice, but beware of their other sauces that contain a lot more carbs. If you're looking for an easy and flavorful way to increase your fat macros for the day, these flavored ghees as well as animal tallows are a great way to enhance the flavor of your food and increase your fat intake.